Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'll tell you how to fix Face ID not working on iPhone. Have you got stuck while unlocking your iPhone with your Face ID? Face ID authentication brings such seamless interaction with our iPhones that is problematic but is not available. But worry not, here I'll share some troubleshooting tips to fix Face ID not working on your iPhone. But first, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is check Face ID requirements and settings on phone. Before diving in on the fixes, note that there are certain situations where the iPhone will temporarily disable your Face ID and requires you to enter your password first. If your device has not been unlocked for more than 48 hours, you used your Face ID 5 times unsuccessfully, you just turned on, restarted or forced restart your iPhone, or you are on the power off emergency SOS screen. For first, check your Face ID settings to confirm they are correctly configured. If it's failing with specific apps, it's likely a setup issue. For this, go to settings. Next, scroll down and then tap on Face ID and passcode, and then enter your passcode. If your Face ID is already set up, toggle on everything under the Use Face ID for section. If not, tap Setup Face ID and follow the on-screen instructions and you are done. The next step is allow Face ID in third-party apps on your iPhone. If you have ever refused an app's request to use Face ID for login authentication, you will be asked for your passcode as a substitute for Face ID on subsequent uses. So it may seem that the Face ID on your iPhone is not working. You must enable Face ID for the third-party app to fix the issue. For this, head to Face ID and passcode in settings. Go to settings, scroll down and then tap on Face ID and passcode, and then enter your passcode, and then tap on other apps and toggle on the apps you want to authenticate with facial recognition, and you are done. Also, you should keep a clear view of your facial features when authenticating. Ensure that your eyes, mouth and nose are fully visible to the true depth camera. And the next step is restart your iPhone. To restart your iPhone, press and quickly release the volume up button and do the same with the down button and press the power button, and then slide to power off, and after some time press the power button until you see the Apple logo on your home screen, and you are done. And the next step is set up an alternate appearance on iPhone. From every facial recognition scan, Face ID learns your face and updates its representation of your face as it changes. However, if your current appearance looks vastly different, say you grew your beard or had it shaved, it's best to set up an alternate appearance so your Face ID won't find it hard to recognize you. For this, go to settings, scroll down and then tap on Face ID and passcode. Next, enter your passcode and then tap on Setup an alternate appearance. Then follow the on-screen instruction to complete the process and you are done. And the next step is reset Face ID. If Face ID is still not available, resetting it might help. However, doing so removes the Face ID or faces you have saved. For this, go to settings, scroll down and then tap on Face ID and passcode. Next, enter your passcode and then tap on Reset Face ID, and then tap Setup Face ID and follow the instruction to enroll your face again, and you are done. And the next step is update your iOS. For this, go to settings, scroll down and then tap on General and then tap on Software Update. Wait until the page is loading. See if there is any update available, then download and install the latest version, and you are done. And the next step is reset all settings. For this, go to settings, scroll down and then tap on General, scroll down to the bottom and then tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Next, tap on Reset and then tap on Reset all settings. It might ask you to enter your passcode, so enter your passcode and follow the on-screen instruction to reset all settings on your iPhone, and you are done. This solution will fix your issue of Face ID not working on iPhone. And also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.